What does it mean when a customer is said to be loyal to a brand? Does it mean they're consumers that repeat in purchasing the same brand? Or does it just mean that they simply like it? The loyalty card is a one-to-one program, not one program to 100 customers or 1 to 1,000. It shows how to deal with the customer sales, services, and problems. Customers choose to be loyal in the ways or services they get treated, but not just from getting rewards and points by doing business. When they use the loyalty card and get rewards, they feel happy and appreciated. But does the card really make a customer loyal to the company? Or do they just use it because it is convenient? Actually, a loyalty card gives the benefit of creating loyalty more than convenience. Imagine if the customer is loyal. They will do business with you even though it is not convenient. As for loyalty cards, customers will get the card when they do business with you. Let's take for example. A customer who owns a loyalty card and shops at a particular shop every time, he or she definitely feels it is convenient and easy. At the same time, they will feel loyal as well. If the company gives a customer a loyalty card, when they spend more than 250 ringgit, customers will surely pay another visit next time in order to get the chance of collecting points to redeem vouchers and free gifts as rewards or discounts. So why don't we use this advantage of loyalty cards to build good relationships and play a role on receiving feedback to create better and more trustworthy relationships with the customers? Let's move on. Indeed, some of the customers like to receive rewards, but there are also some customers who prefer receiving discounts. So, the company can actually give options to the customers, whether choose rewards or discounts for their purchases. Customers will feel more comfortable all being cared for in a way. Wouldn't you if you were one of the customers?